Greetings everyone. Today we are diving into the realm of cloud security with a focus on key concepts and techniques outlined in ISO 27017. This standard provides invaluable guidance for both cloud service providers and their customers in ensuring the security of cloud-based information systems. Let's explore some of its fundamental concepts and techniques. Shared responsibility model. One of the cornerstone concepts of ISO 27017 is the shared responsibility model. It delineates the respective responsibilities of cloud service providers and their customers concerning security controls. While cloud providers are typically responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure, customers are accountable for securing their data and applications within the cloud environment. Risk assessment and management. ISO 27017 emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough risk assessment specific to cloud services. This involves identifying and evaluating risks associated with the adoption and use of cloud services such as data breaches, service disruptions, or compliance violations. By implementing robust risk management practices, organizations can effectively mitigate these risks and safeguard their cloud environments. Security Controls Framework. The standard provides a comprehensive framework of security controls based on ISO 27002, tailored for cloud environments. Those controls encompass various aspects of cloud security, including data confidentiality, integrity, and availability, as well as identity and access management, encryption, logging, and monitoring. By implementing these controls, organizations can establish a strong security posture and address common security challenges associated with cloud services. Data protection and privacy. ISO 27017 addresses key considerations related to data protection and privacy in the cloud. It offers guidance on data classification, encryption, and secure transmission, ensuring that sensitive information stored or processed in the cloud is adequately protected from unauthorized access or disclosure. Moreover, it emphasizes compliance with relevant data protection regulations such as GDPR or CCPA to safeguard individuals' privacy rights. Incident response and continuity planning. Another critical aspect of ISO 27017 is incident response and business continuity planning for cloud environments. It recommends establishing robust incident response processes and procedures to detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents or service disruptions promptly. Additionally, it advocates for the development of comprehensive business continuity and disaster recovery plans to ensure the resilience of cloud-based services in the face of unforeseen events. In conclusion, ISO 27017 provides a wealth of guidance on key concepts and techniques essential for securing cloud environments effectively. By adopting the principles outlined in this standard, organizations can enhance the security, resilience, and compliance of their cloud-based information systems, ultimately fostering trust and confidence in cloud services. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.